Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Suzuki remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to slide this catch over here, which releases the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. Now what we need to do is we need to crack the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. Using the tip of the key fob blade, there is just a small indentation just at the bottom there where there's just enough room to put the tip of the blade in, give it a twist like so, which cracks the two halves of the case, and there is your key fob battery. Just using a small screwdriver, we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery part number of CR2450, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on this one is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. Now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up, and we just click it back together. And we just pop the blade back into the bottom. And there you go. It's all done.